Hey guys, welcome to my second YouTube vlog. Today we're gonna be fishing. Today we're fishing at Davis Lake, this lake right here. I hope we can catch a pretty good one. Right now I don't know what to say. Obviously we're fishing. I see y'all guys. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. I did not tell y'all that me and him are having a little. I can't even get him in the camera. We're having a little challenge. See who can catch the most weight, and look at that noob action. There's that little get in the tree, little jig action. Hashtag fishing for birds. Right now I'm so freaking mad. I just lost a fish and Jordan just got hung up. I lost that fish. It was our only hope, dude. My heart dropped. Like, I thought I had done caught the game winner because I know this dude right here ain't gonna catch fish. Right now, I'm so mad. I think I'm about to cry right now. So excuse me right now, cause while like sob.
He just called this. He's win the challenge right now. That's bad for me.
Stop putting it on this.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
Look at this. This is awesome. Out of all this struggle, we finally caught a fish. He's winning the challenge right now. Whatever this thing weighs, he better weigh it. I mean, it's pretty good. I don't know, maybe, hopefully I can catch up with him. Maybe I can pull a score off. Alright, let's see what
This is like a 3, 3, 2, 3, 5.
Video like this. I don't know who stories better the video.
3, 9. No, 3, 3, 8, 3, 8, 8.
388.
You get a picture.
Alright, it's gonna be in the video, so.
No, I want a picture like on my phone. So.
Yeah, I'm just gonna take a picture of it. This is gonna be for the thumbnail.
All right.
Thumbnail. We're gonna take a little thumbnail picture.
You make sure you get a good picture.
And wait, selfie. 3, 2, 1.
All right. Go to the pic. Get a pic. Get like a real pic on my phone.
On your phone?
Yeah, my phone. Like a
Alright, normal pic. That's a thumbnail pic. Alright. Pretty good fish. 388. That is awesome, guys. Now we know that there's fish over here, and we'll keep on fishing.
That's a story, dude. Oh my god.
It's pretty big fish, dude. You better get in the water. This thing's miserable.
I know, hold on. I'm gonna stick it.
Look at him.
See what my picture
Bucket
looks
mouth.
like.
Look at that color. It's royal red with the red eyes. Not royal red.
I get another one more picture, and then on Snap.
I should see my
Here,
hand.
take one more picture on Snap.
Snapchat pics. All right. Wait. I'm just gonna go to your thing. Go add him on Snapchat. Jordan Cade.
All right, go.
Story.
No, just do it.
Everybody. All right. I will notify y'all. I'll get the video back up the next fish we catch. See y'all guys in about a few hours, which is gonna be about 2 seconds for y'all. I left y'all in little terms. We gotta get the dope relief. I gotta get a good look. Let's get us a good view. I don't know. All right. Make sure you give them a good. Hey.
Hold on. Let me you want to put more on top of my rod?
Yeah, he's very excited, as you can tell. But you got 388. We're gonna have to get the calculators out.
All right, let's go. Ready?
Boy! Oh yeah!
Let's go!
That was dope.
Let's go, dude!
That is dope. All right. Now I'll see y'all in about. Oh, he is smashing the bass right now. Are you gonna weigh that one?
Jigs are fun because we're having fun.
No, you know, if you weigh it, it's it. I mean, that's your fish. Alright, we can only catch 3 fish. That's the thing. We can only weigh. Should we only weigh 3 fish?
Yeah, that's fair.
Right. Only 3 fish. So if I catch one, I wonder how much weight you have right now.
That's probably.
He has a 388 and how much weight he is.
388. Let's
Come on.
see what it weighs. Ready? Oh, freak! I turn it off.
That one probably weighs about 2.
Yeah, 2 pounds.
238.
238. Locked.
238. All right, what do you have? 5,
That's gonna be 5.
6.
Yeah, 6. Let's just say 6 pounds.
Right now he has about 6. He has about 6.
Here, go put it back in the water.
Yeah,
Get
6 pounds of
it.
two
Get it
fish.
released.
About 6 pounds, 13 ounces of 2 fish. And we're gonna get a pretty good release. This is his fish. He's crushing them right now. That was one of the jigs. Woo, boys! He gave me a tail slap. All right, now it's dope. Bye, buddy. Right now we're just gonna go get some grub, and we left our stuff. We put it under this little sketchy little place. Hopefully nobody will steal it, because we got about $1,000 worth of stuff.
And more.
Yeah, $1,000 or more, and stuff, and like fishing tackle and rods under there.
$400 to get tackle.
We got 4 rods and 2 tackle boxes, and about $100 and something worth of baits in every box, and baits on the reels, and expensive reels and expensive rods. So hopefully nobody will steal it. Chasing me. I tried to hook him with my rattle trap. I started to, but I got scared. He probably stripped me. He started coming at me. I'll update y'all if he does. Wait, let me zoom in. Look at him. Hey guys, fishing update. I think we're gonna leave Davis right now and maybe go to one of my buddy's houses and fish, or maybe go to like a pond, like a different pond, like a big pond, and then maybe it's a lake, another lake or something. But I'll see y'all guys there. But there is no size to it, so I think I'm good. But I do think I'm bad because that's the only size that's here. Hey, you want to make the limit like 5?
Yeah, let's do 5 fish.
Yeah, 5 fish. Hey, let's restart and do 5 fish. How about that?
No, we're not restarting.
Dude, look. Well, I mean, in this, all right. You won the first challenge. All right.
Yeah, won.
All right. Well, you won the Davis Lake challenge because there's no way I won't even have a chance to win. Cause I can't catch up to you unless you don't catch any fish. And then I could probably barely catch up to you because none of these fish have any size. Well, that's all. That's all for right now. I'll keep y'all updated if I catch fish. Hey, we both just broke off on our good baits. So he found a popper for some reason. That's stupid. And I put the towel on like the same bait, it's a different color, and I think this color works better than this lake because I've caught like a ton of fish on it. I had one flash on my bait, I watched it. It was like awesome. I watched it eat the bait. It literally swallowed it. So I got my tackle box from the 4-wheeler way over there. Can't see it right now. Oh well, y'all get it. It's way across the lake. And if it's a town, I know I'm breathing very hard right now because I've been running. So I'll see y'all when I catch a fish. Sucks, man. I don't want to lose 2 challenges. I guess it is only 2 fish. Maybe I can.
Weigh it, dude.
I can.
Hey, count.
Oh, he didn't weigh it, guys. Do you hear that? He did not weigh it, so we are safe.
Dude, that was like a 0.8.
All right. Well, you didn't. No, good. You didn't weigh it. Good for you. You didn't weigh it. Well, I guess I turned on the. I turned on this camera for something. But, hey, dude, there's a bait right here. Trailer boy. A musty trailer.
Dude, my bait was like right here. And he picked it up and started running with it.
Alright, I'll see y'all guys when we do actually catch a fish. There is a stinking limo right here. What is it doing? Look at that. That is a limo on my road.
Dude, it's called a limbo, dude.
That is a limo.
Dude, it's called a limbo.
It's not called a limbo.
It's a limbo, dude.
It's not a Lambo. It's a limo. That was a limo. I mean, randomly just fishing, and you see it. The longest car you ever seen in your life. I mean, that's weird. Like, I've never seen a limo in my life. Man, I just lost my rattle trap. My hair is doing something weird, funky. I don't like it. Well, since I lost my rattle trap, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't have much of a hope. Guess I just haven't caught a fish in this video. I mean, I guess that's fine. I guess he won. I'm not taking the L. Never take L's. He's not gonna win. Keep fishing. Never stop. Forgot to say this. I mean, I'm glad I did get to help him. Now he knows what to fish, because I gave him like techniques. The baits he used today is stuff that I got him that we got him for Christmas. And I mean, I'm glad I got to take somebody fishing in a video. I do have excuses, but like there is no excuses to why I didn't catch anything. But I sort of caught stuff, but I missed so much stuff that I just didn't catch anything. Now I'll see y'all at the punishment, not the challenge, punishment. What is it? What's the challenge? What do I have to do? Tell.
Drink mustard.
I have to drink mustard. Fun fact: I hate mustard. This is gonna be bad. I got the mustard since I lost.
Go.
I gotta eat it. Gotta get in here.
I'm ready. Go.
Oh my gosh. I don't know what it is.
Just eat it.
I don't want
It stink.
to. Hey, don't smell
You gotta eat the whole thing. 1, 2.
Alright, give me your dog.
No, you
I have to have at least.
I'll go get you one. Hold on.
Alright, give me one. No, wait. Oh.
Here. No, you gotta eat the whole thing now.
Ready?
Ready. 1, 2, 3. You're not going back now. You gotta say, oh.
It wasn't that bad.
I'm glad I ain't lose.
I just spilled Dr. Pepper. No, it's on this. I think I'm gonna end it right here. So,
Yes.
I'll see y'all guys next.